Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Yasmi, but if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. This is a let me take my time. This is a continuation of my pregnancy diaries or series, whatever you want to call it. So, if you see me wearing this same shada, I wore it in the previous video. Please don't come and stress me out. This is the same day, same time ish, same venue. Okay, I'm shooting another video. So I realized that I've not spoken about my second trimester symptoms, and I'm still doing last minute prep for baby. I'm almost 29 weeks, so we are almost there. So I got a few, my sister bought her niece a few stuff. So the truth of the matter is that they came in boxes, right? New items, they came in boxes, and I shot the video maybe 2 weeks ago, right? And I lost the footage. So I'm like, let me just do this again. And basically, we are going to pretend this is an unboxing. Okay, that's what I'm going to put in the title because it's an unboxing. And we'll talk about my second trimester symptoms. Yeah. So I'll just show you the things, cute bows, and then it came with some mittens as well. I think in addition to these bows, I have like two extra. That's it. I'm not really a huge fan of the bows because I feel some certain type of way about it. I feel like when it's nyaing baby, how will she like be able to say it? But yeah, I'm a first time girl mom, so I'm obviously going to be needing this before somebody come and ask me if my child is a boy or is a girl. So let me show you the onesies first. This is one of the onesies. Okay, let me just drop this here. And there's another one. I love, 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 love this one. I don't know if it's because it's red or something like that. Yeah. And then it has, I don't know what to call this, trousers or tights or whatever. Yeah. It came with another one like this. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a short video. Okay. And then it came with bibs as well. This says classy and fabulous. So cute. And this is another one. This is also very beautiful. And then the packaging also had, I don't even know what to call it, packaging or pack or whatever. I had also these bows as well to match with the shades. Okay. And then she also bought me this two-in-one bag bassinet kind of situation, which I'm going to try to put together again. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube and I think, or they looked very easy, so I'm sure that I can be able to um put this together basically. And so before I put the bag together, no, okay, let me put the bag together and then talk about my symptoms. As usual, my book is here. I wrote them down because mommy pregnancy brain will not allow me. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to be looking into the book while I try to assemble the bag or put it together or whatever. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to put the bag. So it's a diaper bag stroke bassinet. I think that's what it's called. Like you can put the baby in it. So I'm going to try to put it together. So just a few basic stuff. I think I watched about two videos on YouTube, and then in my mind, I think I can put this together. Okay, so let me just talk about my symptoms because they are not a lot. I don't have too many complaints. Okay, so the thing is, this is almost 29 weeks. So I'm in my third trimester, obviously. So I'm going to talk about my second trimester symptoms. I am still eating, people of God. Don't they also have say, yeah, don't come and tell me that I've not put on any weight. Yeah, let's all be peaceful with each other. And I have still been eating. My taste buds are back. Food is nice, basically. And what am I even doing again? I think my energy is also back, but I tend to want to sleep a lot. But I'm more energetic as compared to when I was in my first trimester. Okay, and then what again? Crap. Oh, my acne, hyperpigmentation kind of situation. See, look at my face. Only Jesus can save. Anyways, so yeah, I've been. I mean, I hear when your face is like this when you're pregnant, baby will be fine. So keeping my fingers crossed. My baby girl, she should come with hair, a lot of hair and a beautiful face because just because she's coming from inside of me. Do you understand? And then I have husbands from time to time. I noticed that when I eat, especially mashed kinky, I get a husband serious, especially when it's in the evening. I get that husband is very bad, so I've taken note of that. And then when I'm hungry, hey, it's like all hell will break loose. When I'm hungry, then I begin to shake. Then my hands are shaking. Then I have some slight headache. Once I eat, all of it vanishes. I think it's normal, but yeah, it's one of the things I'm feeling. And then what again? My back. Whoa, 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 whoa. So before I got pregnant, or normally I'm a stomach sleeper. I don't even know what that's called, but I sleep on my tummy. So obviously with the bum, I cannot sleep on my tummy again. And I have to sleep on my sides. And it's been hectic. And you know the thing about the lower back pain is that, or the back pain in general, like when you sleep on your back, it feels so good. And at this stage, it's not advisable to sleep on my back. So the struggle is really real because sleep is not sweet again. Basically, like when I want sleep, and naturally, I'm somebody who would not wake up in the middle of the night to pee. Like I can sleep through a full bladder. I know it's not good, but let's end that discussion here. But of course, with baby coming, all my internal organs squishing themselves, I have to empty the bladder, and when I wake up, it's just a chore, like rolling. I don't know how to even. Please, I have to roll from one end of the or one side to the other side before I put my two legs down, raise myself. It's such a chore because I'm heavy. I think this has been the heaviest I've been, or this is the heaviest I've been in all my pregnancies, right? So what again? And then I occasionally I have this, but it's very rare though. Like I have this dizzy spells, very short, 30 seconds, maybe less, and then I have to stop what I'm doing, just sit down and then take a breath and then yeah, move on. And then what else? Hey, toothache. Ha, people of God. I experienced the toothache when I was pregnant with my second. His like that time was bad, bad. This one put it comes and it goes away. This one I have it when I chew a lot of meat. And what then is so I chew a lot of meat and then it comes, right? So yeah, let me try and put this thing together. And then occasionally, I think the Braxton Hicks have also started. So it's like when I'm there or when I'm there, I feel the pain, the false contractions being small, small. But basically, I've been good. By God's grace, I've been really good. Thanks be to God. All the prayers I prayed, God has really heard his favorite daughter. And at this point, God has heard his favorite child because I'm really enjoying this pregnancy, okay? I don't have any cravings though. Oh, this is coming together beautifully. Then I'll put this in here. So basically this is it. But you would have to I think not you would have to, but me personally I'll put something. I think yeah you have to. I'll put something in the I don't know, I did not think movie. Okay. I'll put like another layer of what is it called blanket in here too. Sort of like bring it up a bit. But yeah, basically this is it. And this is the diaper bag compartment. It's really nice. Really, really nice and spacious. Yet we start. It's really a good investment. You keep your bottles here, the diapers and change of clothes, blah 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 in here. And when you're somewhere you want your baby to sleep, you can just open it up and then baby will sleep. I don't know why it's not behaving, but it can stand though. It can stand too. And I say, I think, yeah, basically that is it. So this is also one of the things my sister bought for me. Have I also said that already? Anyway, and so this video, apart from it being my, what is it called, my second trimester symptoms video, is also giving a shout out to my amazing kid sister. She's not really a kid anymore, but she's still my baby sister. Okay, rich auntie Andra, thank you so much for spoiling your niece. Like, see, if I tell you how grateful I am for my sister, I will not finish now. This is roadside. But God bless her for everything she has done for my kids and I. She's been amazing, amazing, amazing. See, my pampima is cut off. She's been an amazing, amazing, my amazing sister and auntie Charlie. And God bless you, auntie. And so yeah, let me just sign out of today's video. Packing the bag is not anything. You just remove the rods that you put inside. Collapse the rods. So let me just close the video, okay? Thank you so much for watching up to this far. If you've not subscribed already, please do so and consider joining this amazing family. And what else? Until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.